Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a domain, payment method, and site files or CMS. Once chosen, pick hosting type: shared for low cost, VPS for control, dedicated for heavy use, because resources affect performance. Next, register or point your domain. Make sure name servers match the host so DNS updates correctly. Then log into the control panel to locate FTP/SFTP details and one-click installers. These first actions let you upload files and prepare the environment for configuration immediately. Once done uploading, you need to configure services so the site runs. You create a database and user, then connect credentials in your CMS configuration file or during the installer. Make sure file permissions are secure. Use 644 for files and 755 for folders, because improper permissions break functionality. Next, set DNS records. Point the record to your server IP, add CNAME for subdomains, and set MX records for email. Finally, enable SSL and test pages over HTTPS to ensure secure connection. You're ready to launch. Verify pages load, forms submit, and media displays correctly across browsers and devices. Once live, set scheduled backups and uptime monitoring so you catch regressions early. Make sure automatic updates are enabled or have a maintenance plan. This keeps your site secure. If something breaks, consult error and access logs first, then confirm DNS propagation and file permissions. As a quick troubleshooting tip, disable plugins or switch to a default theme to isolate conflicts before rolling back changes or restoring a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.